You had plenty money, 1922. You let other women make a fool of you. Why don't you do that?
Hey everyone, it's Naomi and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you how to achieve this 1940s Rita Hayworth Jessica Rabbit inspired look. I think it was a very glamorous time. I love the cut crease and the strong wing liner and the elegance of the hairstyle. So if you want to learn how to recreate this look, just keep watching. So starting with our eyes, I'm just going to be applying my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is going to help reduce creasing, it's going to make the pigment show up better, and it's going to help our makeup last longer. So taking my BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to select a warm brown, and I'm going to start building up the intensity of our crease. Now the 1940s has a very faint cut crease. It's not like the 60s, which was much harsh and intense. So we're going to do this by using two different browns. Make sure to blend well. Now taking a darker brown, we're also going to use this to build up the intensity of our crease. Remember, you want it to be very faint and very hazy. Now taking concealer, we're just going to apply this to our eyelids. It's going to help us start creating the cut crease look. Perfect. Moving on. Now selecting a warm vanilla shadow, I'm going to apply this on top of the concealer just to help it set. We're also going to use this vanilla tone to highlight our brow bones. Now taking a light gold shimmery eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this to my eyelids. As you can see, the gold is not very heavily pigmented, but it has a very nice shimmer that's going to help us refract the light. Now taking my liquid eyeliner, you want to create a sharp wing. You don't want this to be very thick. Now I'm gonna slightly curl my lashes. It's time for fake eyelashes. Our next step is going to be taking that same liquid eyeliner and drawing small dots on our lower lash line. As we did in our 60s look, this is going to help give our eyes that pop and make them look slightly bigger. Now we're going to line our lower waterline using a white or silver color. See how big our eyes look? It's time to contour. So just suck those cheeks in and follow the line. Don't forget your jawline, the sides of your forehead, and of course our nose. Apply your blush in a sweeping motion upwards. You probably can't see it in this light, but I was wearing a lot of blush. Taking again that light gold shimmer eyeshadow, I'm just going to use that as a highlight on my cheekbones. Time to sculpt our lips. Taking a lip brush and selecting a ruby red color, I'm going to slowly sculpt my lips. You want the top lips to be very accentuated in the cupid's bow and the lower lip to be very round. In the 1940s, it was all about the matte look, so no gloss is needed. Try to also feather out the corners of your upper lip. You want to give it kind of a wing-shaped look.
Why don't you do